USDT is still looking bullish. In my last video, I said that if we close this candle, daily candle, as green, it's gonna be very bad for Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, so it's still, I am seeing that USDT is very bullish, which having opposite correlation with BTC. And I have been in my Telegram group. I actually logged into my Telegram group to show you guys. We have 379 of you guys, and I really appreciate you guys. I just made a vote in here how these indicators are looking, and if you guys agree or disagree. 22 of you agreed, 7 of you disagreed, and 9 of you guys did not know. Okay, so I am telling you, and I gave you the scenario. I also nailed this again. I showed you guys the next level I am looking at for USDT. If we get to this red candle and if we pass, I'm going to show you guys actually in the chart later. But again, a lot of people, I nailed this again. I have been showing you guys the scenarios when we have a drop and then zigzag and we never fill that part. There's a good chance that we get to that level. And I said that if you guys go and read it, you guys can see what happened and what happened. So you guys can see that exactly, grab that liquidity and it started going lower. Okay, and of course I would brag for it. Okay, this video is gonna be very important. We're gonna talk about DXY, everybody's favorite chart. We're gonna also talk about USDT dominance, of course, my favorite chart, and BTC dominance is still, it is stuck and going sideways. I told you guys, even if we have more drops for BTC and altcoins, we can still have zigzag, maybe up to 61, 62% for BTC, because anywhere around this area, we can still go up to 61, 60. I would say 65 would be too high, but 62% is very possible up to this level. Okay, I would say up to maybe, I don't know. Sorry, anyways, 62%, okay? And that would show, and also we're gonna talk about total 3 again. Total 3, as I mentioned before, we keep nailing everything we say in this channel, okay? Now, of course, I'm gonna still say in parentheses, I can make mistakes too, okay? So do not judge me if I make a mistake, but so far this channel has been killing it, okay? So if you guys appreciate this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe right now, because this channel is all about facts. Although I am still 90% altcoins and I am ready for any scenario. So the reason I'm saying that I am fine either way is because I have bought altcoins, because I am expecting anywhere maybe after a month or so we can see altcoins start rallying. Okay, so although I have shorted Bitcoin from 73,400, almost 200 less than the top that it touched before going back down, I said that shakeout is coming. I have been warning you guys for many days, from 7 days ago, from a week ago. I gave you a scenario that we can make a higher high, which was almost 71,500-ish. We made even a little bit higher for BTC, and it started. I said that there's a good chance that we're gonna fake out. Okay, so whoever was considering it, congratulations. Okay, but none of these are financial advice, of course. So we're going to talk about Ethereum and how we can still go, maybe do a pullback and start going lower and down to 0.003 that I'm expecting for Ethereum BTC pair, which I would say that this is a hint for me to say that, okay, we're going to probably see if Ethereum outperform BTC, there's a good chance that we're going to see altcoins, other altcoins are going to follow. Okay, we're going to also talk about Solana, how I nailed it exactly at $183. We touched it and it started going lower. I had this line, I warned you guys when we were like around $174 before going up to this level and crashed. I told you, or pullback, nobody likes the crash word anymore, but I said that I am going to say that we're going to most likely get rejected on that area, which we did. Okay, so we're going to talk more about that Solana coin. And these are all my links on here. If you guys go to my page, you can see all my links in here. If you guys want to know that what coins we have bought and we are buying, we keep adding to our bags. And I am the person, I am repeating again, I found Shiba Inu when nobody was talking about it. I found a lot of coins, Flux coins. I found a lot of different coins that now everybody is talking about it. I found them when Flux had a different name. So to change the name, it took off from 2 cents to almost $3. Okay, so I'm just saying these because I have a good strategy for finding these coins, and I actually talked about it in different video just talking about how to find gems. But it's of course time consuming, and you need to do a lot of research on a lot of coins. But again, it is up to you if you would like to join the team. We are 33 people in this team, and I already showed a portfolio about that, but let's not talk about that too much. So again, the reason I am seeing a lot of support, and you guys are seeing a lot of support for every time we get to $68,500, $69,000 is because of this line that we had broken above, but it's still, I called that there could be a really good fake out, because of course you guys see that a lot of people make these lines and it's very easy for everybody to read this these charts, but you guys need to consider, you see this and market makers see the same thing. Okay, so keep that in mind. They're not stupid. They're not going to play the obvious. Okay, I'm not saying I am bearish, but I'm just saying that we can have another shakeout before going higher. Okay, again, I am with you in this. I am holding my altcoins. I would love everything to become bullish. I see hundreds of X's for my portfolio. But again, I cannot ignore this, and I cannot fool you. While everybody, a lot of these YouTubers are telling you that buy Bitcoin, last chance, and they think that because the simple patterns you guys see on YouTube, that you see, okay, when we broke up, we're gonna pull back, you buy here, and we start going higher. Yes, a lot of times it happens, okay, as we did in here. But again, USDT, I have been showing you guys how it has been playing out. I exactly called this bottom at 5%. I'm going to put it back on 5%. We went a little bit lower to grab more liquidity and start going higher. And I said that there's a good chance that we're going to see crash for Bitcoin or pullback for Bitcoin. Okay, so again, I cannot unsee this, that USDT has closed 3 bullish green candles. 3 in a row. We closed this body above this level, and I said that there is a good chance that even if we pull back, we're gonna go higher, and we close this as green as well. So next level I am looking at, after we passed it on this, the reason you guys are seeing that it is having a little bit of difficulty to go higher is because of this level that I had called it again twice before, that I said we have a good chance that we get support around this area, and I extended, and I said that because of this green candle we can, and of course this base drop, we saw a lot of support. But we finally broke, but we got more support from below. And similar to this chart, as I said, USDT looks opposite. So when I say that I am bullish for USDT, you should automatically know that I am bearish for BTC short term, okay? So now, when I see that USDT is bullish, we can tell that BTC can still go a little bit higher and start going lower. And once we get below this white line, that is absolutely showing us that we are getting a fake out. And you guys see how sharp we started going lower. Okay, I put all these circles for you guys long time ago, 7 days ago. I said we can go up to 71,500-ish. We went a little bit higher just to grab more liquidity and just liquidate more shorts, and it started going lower. So I exactly shorted at top. I had another one that I shorted it on 70,700-ish. I am still holding that. But again. So you need to, guys, be careful with what you are doing in this area, okay? Almost everybody on YouTube is talking about how bullish BTC looks, but just telling you, none of these are financial advice. Again, USDT, as long as it is looking bullish, I cannot be bullish, okay? So for USDT, I put a screenshot in a Telegram group, and I said, there's a good chance that we pass and go up to this red candle, the last red candle. And if we pass above and close a red candle, we're going to most likely go back up to 5.58, where we have this green candle. That green candle can stop USDT for now, okay? And I hope that is gonna be the last shakeout or a small shakeout for BTC. It's not gonna get crazy, okay? But if we pass above that, guys, this time I am expecting to get to 7%. Okay, I even explained it where I had explained it many times in different scenarios, in different time frames, and even on BTC chart we had a 1 hour chart, 15-hour chart. I showed you guys that we have seen many of the scenario happening very similar, and we could still go up to this level to 7%, and that's gonna crash BTC almost to even $43,000. Yes, so it is hard to hear, it is hard to accept. Everybody is tired of hearing these kind of stuff, but you guys know that I'm all about facts and transparency and let you guys know, and I hope you guys appreciate this, okay? So DXY, in one of my videos I explained that DXY obviously was looking bullish, but I said I put this level in here and we saw that we started pulling back, okay? So we have closed 3 red candles, but I said that there's a good chance that we can go down to this red candle when we have, as I said before, when we have bunch of one color candle. So for example, in this case, all green, and then we have one red and then bunch of green again. This level is a very good support if we are above it, okay? So again, you can see it in many different times that you can just pull it in other charts, and even if we go down, I am expecting this level to be another support level. But again, we can see that it is looking very bullish so far, and the next level that I'm looking at is gonna probably go up to this level, okay? So this level that I'm putting the circle, we can still go up to this level, and that's gonna be more bearish for stock market and BTC. Okay, so you guys see that a lot of indicators are showing that short term we need to be a little bit more cautious with what we're doing. Okay, let's talk more about Solana. Solana is having a little bit of support around this level. It has made a double top so far, exactly what we did in here, and I hope that is not going to go lower. But as I said, if BTC goes down, we're going to see Solana, the next level of support I'm looking at for Solana is going to be, it's going to be around this level, because we have had many touches to this level, 1 time, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and we have got a support from top, and we can go back up on top of this level, and I hope that it's gonna hold, okay? Because sometimes it doesn't matter how many times we rejected and we broke above, it all depends on how much liquidity and how much sell pressure we have from top, and completely ignore it and it kept hitting until it broke above, but it can still break down. So it can be another fake out that we saw from BTC, same and similar to it can happen to Solana, okay? So as long as we're not breaking above this last wave around $183, and we need to even, I would say I would be more bullish if we break above $195, because of the last one, we failed again. We need to break above and to break above that one too. So keep that in mind. None of these are financial advice. You can do whatever you want. You're free, okay? This is free YouTube, free world. Do whatever you want. I am just showing you what you don't see, okay? As soon as I see bearishness for USDT, I'm going to keep you guys updated on Telegram. So make sure you are on Telegram. And also thank you guys for reacting to whatever I put there. Either like, dislike, whatever. Just, I like that. I like that. I like that interaction between us, and I like how you guys giving me feedback and just share your thoughts with me. So again, so far, although it looks like a healthy pullback, but I cannot really agree with this that much, okay? As long as we are seeing that USDT is looking bullish, BTC is going to look bearish, and we can see another bearishness, and we're going to go below this line, and that's not going to be good for BTC, okay? So thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like button right now and share this video with your friends, and subscribe and hit the notification button for important updates so you do not miss any of my videos. Thank you guys for watching again. See you next time. Peace.